Well, I'm standing here with one of my absolutely favorite plants of all time, the Swiss stone pine. Not only is it beautiful with unique blue-green needles that are long, elegant, and soft, but it's exceptionally cold hardy, actually down to zone 2. So we're never gonna see winter tip-kill dieback. It actually structurally grows really well. You're not gonna have to prune it. Not only that, but it's actually not gonna have the same kind of pest problems you see with some other pines, maybe like a lodgepole or even the spruce we have growing in our neighborhoods. It only grows 3 to 6 inches a year, which is actually a selling feature we talk about because it's not gonna outgrow and overpower an area once you plant it. But it doesn't love heavy clay soils, which are the norm in our area. So make sure that you planted a nice sandy soil, dig a big hole, and you'll be off to the races enjoying this beautiful specimen.